guys, Lynette here, and today's video we're gonna unbox a new subscription to my channel. This is the Dapper Dog subscription box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, welcome back. Like I said, we're opening up the December Dapper Dog Box. For those of you who don't know and you follow the channel, every time we find a new subscription that's shared with us, and thank you for the Dapper Dog Box for sharing this amazing subscription with me so I can share with you guys. So this is the Dapper Dog Box, and we always go into their website so I can share the information with you guys. So the Dapper Dog subscription is the only box that sends you a gorgeous limited edition bandana every month. These high quality dog bandanas are available exclusively from Dapper Dog. Each box also includes 2 healthy bags of treats or chews and 2 chewable, adorable toys, all curated around cute themes like fun in the sun, under the sea, and happy holidays. Our boxes are gorgeous, have a gorgeous exterior, and I have to say it does, and interior, which makes them perfect for taking photos. Your pup was born to be an Instagram star. We know they're already a star of your camera roll, and we will fill our box with photo ops. So let me see. Okay, so like they said, I've been looking for a subscription box for my dog, and thankfully the Dapper Dog box reached out to me and they wanted me to share their December box. So I'm definitely excited because I've been wanting to find a subscription box for our dog. We have a Labrador Retriever and he's super big, he's large. So this box is particular, it's for the large dogs. They have a variety of different boxes that you can get for depending on the size of your dog. So this would be for the large dog. So if you have a large dog, if you're curious, this would be something similar to what they would get in that December box. And thankfully the Dapper Dog Box gave me a discount code that's gonna be in the description box of this video and on my blog. So definitely if you love what you see and you wanna get this box, definitely stay tuned because that's going to be in the information also. So this comes with 5 different items. Again, every month you can subscribe, and they have 2 treats, 2 toys, and 1 limited edition bandana. It says we rotate what types of toys, treats, and chews that are included in your dog so they'll never get bored. It says we prioritize products made in the USA by small businesses. You'll never receive a consumable product from China or any other countries where the quality can't be reviewed. And I looked on their site, they have a lot of great reviews, so I'm definitely excited to see what's in this one. It says the owner rescued her dog Asha when she was a sassy 9-week pup, and Asha excuse me, became quickly a huge part of their life, and she started the Dapper Dog because she didn't have much luck with subscription boxes. So that's curious because I've seen a couple and I've been not that impressed. So she wanted to create one that included accessories, amazing products, pet products that you wouldn't find in your local store. So enough with the yip yap. Again, I'll have their information in the description and on my blog, so you guys can check that out if you're watching on the blog, so you'll see that there. But let's get into the box. So it looks like this, and it's really, really pretty. So you see that there, it has the box, and then on the sides they have a bunch of hearts. So that's what the box looks like. So I have to say it's super pretty. So you guys did awesome on the box. So it says, this is what I see when I open the box. So it says all you need is love in a dog heart. So there you go, that's what the box looks like. Hashtag the Dapper Dog Box. So I'm sure if you guys search on Instagram by that hashtag, you guys will probably see a ton of different items that different dogs have received, or different dog moms have received for their dogs. So the very first item I see here is a postcard. So that's what that looks like there. And it says, oh dear, the holidays are here. And it says, whether there's snow on the ground or just a chill in the air, Dapper Dog is wishing you holiday festivities everywhere. Bundle up in your favorite scarf and enjoy the winter wonderland. So this theme, and I love it, it tells you what the theme is. So it's a winter wonderland bandana theme. So this box valued at, the bandana, sorry, is valued at $30. and it's made by the Dapper Dog Box. So it wants you to share your holidays on Instagram. So, oh, that is probably what the bandana looks like there. And I'll find that in the box. So that is the holiday bandana. And what is this? Okay, so this is just a photo of another dog. It looks like another Labrador with their items, and it says how to win free boxes. So when you get your boxes, once you subscribe, you can win free boxes by sharing your box and your pup and tagging them on Instagram or Facebook. Each month they choose 1, 2, 3 winners. So that's cool. So once you subscribe, you guys can totally start winning boxes. So it says inside each box, because we customize the items for your bag, they want you to, because we customize the items for your bag, make sure to visit the store for more information on all the items in the box. And it says you help save a life. A part of the sales from this purchase was donated to a dog rescue in shelter. So that's cool, because we actually rescued our dog from the shelter. So you're actually helping someone by getting this box too. So I didn't know that. And it says for subscribers, if you refer any friends, you can you can get a free box if you refer folks. So that's super cool. And you can find them again on Instagram, Pinterest, it looks like Twitter, and Facebook. So they're all over the place. But again, I'll have all their information in the description box below. And at the bottom, it does say you can skip a box. If you're concerned, you can definitely skip a month. So another item I see here is a card, a holiday card, and it says Happy Holidays, wishing you a very happy holiday and a great year. So that's super cute. I'm definitely putting that with our Christmas cards. That's really pretty. Okay, so it says, let's see, it says bandanas have a new look. We're excited to debut our new upgraded bandanas. We took your feedback and tested a variety of styles and sizes to further perfect Dapper Dog. So that's cool. They took your feedback if you are a subscriber, and they made some adjustments to their bandanas. So it says we just know you and your pup are going to love them. So that's what that says there. Okay, so let's get into the box, guys. Okay, so the very first item I'm taking out of the box is from, it looks like it's Immunity Boost Chew. So it says this is with bone broth, turmeric, and astragalus root dog treats. So it's grain-free, all natural. I'm probably butchering that word, but that's what that looks like there. So this is a really huge package. It's 7 ounces. So I definitely see and know that you will get use out of that one. So that's cool. Immunity Boost Chew. So definitely excited to have him try that. And the next item we have here, which he's on the other side of his camera, so we're not gonna make any noise, but this is what the next item here is. So this is it says it's a Fetch pet product, and this is a holiday reindeer. So that is what that looks like. That is super, super cute. And has that squishy noise with the scarf and a noise. So he just ran. So that's what that is here. So I know you'll definitely get use out of that, because the noise alone, yeah, you know how that is. And then the next item we have here is, let me see. This is a crinkle squeaky plush toy. And it's for large dogs. It says that there. And it says stuffed, safe, and fun. And this is a penguin. And you can hear the squishiness of the sides, the arms, and the legs. So it does squish also, obviously. It makes noise too. So you'll definitely get use out of that. So that is cool. And that's really large. So that's cool. All right. And the next item we have here is you can see that there. This is a Peanut Butter Treats. So this is from Taj Mahal. It says delicious dog treats. So that is super fresh. And then last but not least, the purpose of the entire box is that bandana. So you have that there. And this is again for large dogs. So it does say large on it. And then is their holiday theme, with their holiday theme, like the one that was pictured in that postcard. So you see that you have 2 ways to use it. One is with candy canes. The other one is for Christmas lights. with that being said, let us do a recap. So you have your bandana, of course. So that's super cute. You have 2 themes for the holidays, and then you have your crinkle, your large crinkle toy. So that's pretty. And then you have a fetch toy. Definitely gonna get use out of those 2. And then you have your immunity boost chews. And then of course you have that dog treat. It looks like a fancy dog treat from Taj Mahal in the butter, what is this? Peanut butter treat. So I love this. This is super cute. So with that being said, what did you guys think? Have you guys tried the Dapper Dog Box? I'm definitely excited for everything in here. We're definitely gonna put it under the tree. So that will be part of his Christmas gift. So with that being said, you guys let me know what you thought in the comment section below. And what did you guys think? I loved it. I think it's definitely worth it. And again, there's a special coupon code for you guys, so you guys can save some money if you want to get this box. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.